Cobe tunes!
Man, I want to go outside, but I have to clean my room first. Come on, guys, let's clean together. Clean up. Yeah, my mama said I need to clean my room up. Yeah. She said my room's dirty and she had enough. I'd rather wait for night and spend my V-Bucks. For real, clean up. Let's go. I wanna play outside, but I can't, bro. I wanna talk back, but that's bad luck. Don't do it. I should've cleaned my room, now she got a fuss.
Cobe, clean your room!
Okay, mommy, I'ma do it.
Go grab the broom and use it.
Okay, I guess I'll get straight to it. My daddy's on the way home, so I need to finish. My sister keeps blaming me, even though she did it. Clothes over here, oh no. Clothes over there.
Oh wow.
Clothes on the floor, clothes in my game chair. Clothes over here, clothes over there. Clothes on the floor, clothes in my game chair. I'm getting a grade, I stay out of trouble, and still I have to clean my room. I'm just a kid, I didn't get it. Being clean's a thing to do. Now it's a bathroom, now it's a living room. I won't have time to play my game, I won't have time to shoot no hoop. Clean up, let's go, clean up. Yeah, my mama said I need to clean my room up. Yeah. She said my